Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the basics so your next steps work. Check which Office edition you own and sign in with the exact account linked to that license. This ensures activation servers recognize you. Once done, make sure Windows and Office updates are installed and reboot. This resolves many transient activation errors. If you have a product key, keep it handy. By preparing licenses, account, and updates first, you avoid backtracking during the activation process. You now act on the problem with built-in tools and checks. Open any Office app, go to File, Account, and either sign in or select Activate Product. This triggers the normal activation handshake. If that fails, run Command Prompt as administrator and use OSP. VBS to query license status and force reactivation. This reveals errors and codes you can act on. Next, perform an online repair through apps and features to fix corrupted activation components. These steps finish by confirming activation and addressing remaining blockers. Sign out of Office and sign back in, or remove and re-add your account in Windows to refresh credentials. Make sure your system clock is accurate and temporarily disable VPN, proxy, or strict firewall rules that block activation endpoints. Network blocks are a common cause. If an error code persists, note it and contact Microsoft support or use offline activation procedures for volume licenses. This last approach resolves the rare, stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.